This podcast may contain paid advertisements, but more on that later. Welcome to the O'Connor Bootstrap Podcast, your go-to resource for unraveling the intricacies of business and leadership, honing in on the essence of bootstrapping a business from scratch. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur, a dedicated bootstrapper, or a leader navigating life's various challenges, this podcast is crafted just for you. I'm Isaiah O'Connor, your friendly neighborhood entrepreneur, and my mission is to guide you towards personal and professional growth. Let's embark on this journey together. Okay, everyone, today's just going to be a quick update. First of all, I'm sorry I did not get an episode posted the last 2 weeks now. I was out of town for just under a week, and I had planned to upload when I left on last Friday, so I brought my computer. However, I made the mistake of not checking to see if my pre-recorded episode that I could just upload and, edit and then upload was on the actual computer. Nope, I managed to leave that on the hard drive behind. So, sorry about that. This week, we are moving back to the States. We're moving out of the house, and it's been utter and complete total chaos. We got back on Friday. We've had a garage sale on Saturday. We did a flea market today on Sunday, and all next week we have to completely clean out the house, move everything out, move to my mother-in-law's house, at least for me, temporarily, and then try to sell more stuff. We're going to another flea market, etc. So it's going to be absolutely insane, and things are not going to calm down enough for me to start really doing much for at least another week or two. So this will probably be an update and then nothing much next week, if anything. But hopefully once things settle down and I land in the States sometime after September 1st, I'll get back onto our regular scheduled uploading, even if it's just doing my remastered series until I can get settled and get guests going and start writing again. Okay, just wanted to give you an update on the complete chaos that is my life right now. I'm sorry for the sporadic uploads. Hopefully things will settle down coming up in the near future. Thank you much. Bye-bye. If today's episode added value to your day, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment and consider giving us a stellar 5-star rating on your favorite podcast platform. Whether it's Apple Podcast, Spotify, Google Podcast, or more. And remember, if you leave a 5-star review on Apple Podcast, I will personally read it out in the next episode. To support the show, you can make a one-time gift by buying us a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/bootstrap. Donate through PayPal at paypal.me/IOCPOD, or make a contribution on our Patreon page at patreon.com/IOCPOD. Your support keeps the episodes coming. For even more content and exclusive perks, join our Patreon community at patreon.com/IOCPod. Patrons enjoy ad-free episodes, access to our private Discord server, early content previews, and a lot more. And here's an exciting offer. Get your free trial of our $5 a month Bootstrapper Community Explorer tier. This exclusive tier grants you ad-free content, Discord server access, and early content previews. Join us and be part of the inner circle. If you're feeling more generous, those who join tiers $25 a month and up will have a chance to be a featured guest on this podcast. A massive thank you to Wintergotten for generously providing the incredible intro and outro music at no cost. We appreciate their support. Be sure to check out Wintergotten's amazing work on YouTube at youtube.com/@Wintergotten. Until next time, I'm your friendly neighborhood entrepreneur, Isaiah O'Connor, signing off. This is the O'Connor Bootstrap Podcast, brought to you by Athos Business Solutions. For our companion podcast, the Athos Business Podcast, hosted by Jason St. Clair, along with past episodes and related blogs, visit our website at athos.com. That's ATHEOZ.com or theoz.com. Goodbye for now.